Hey gang, this is Vicky Kelly with the Golden Rule Trades. I wanted to show you the setups for today, but before I gave the individual trades that we would have looked at, I want you to see the pattern that's set up all morning. And we call this the megaphone pattern. I tease and say that megaphone is Latin for give me all your money, because it's extremely difficult to trade this pattern. As you can see, when you start seeing the dots alternating every few candles and higher highs, lower lows, you know that it is extremely difficult environment to trade. There were a couple trades that looked like they didn't do too bad. And this one here, you would have gotten in on your confirmations here. You could have captured a few points here, but once this did not capture the target area, I would have exited after a couple tries and said, this seems like it wants to go back down. I give it a couple tries, but if it doesn't make it and stay in here, I usually call it quits, especially on a day like today. And again, you might have not even gotten to this point because we have a three strikes you're out policy. And it is quite possible that you would have gotten stopped out that many times by then. So, this is why it is extremely important to have a trading group, because days like today are the days that will chew up your account, especially if you start revenge trading and going on tilt. So if you blew up an evaluation account today, you need a trading group. And this in our live room, not only do we call out when we start to see this shape up, but we also continue to encourage each other to stop, get your head on straight, breathe, do not blow up your account for one pattern. Now, this is true for any system. If you get to the point where you're so involved that you start breaking your rules, then your system is no good to you at all. And having a trading group absolutely helps you keep your head on straight, because we can encourage one another and say, listen, size down, move your stops to where they're not going to chew up your account. Think of it this way. At the end of the month, when you go back and you look over all of your trades and your positive and your negative days, chances are you probably have a lot of positive days, but there are two or three or four really negative days that chew up all of your other profitable days. So it's not that you're not being profitable. It's that on those days when it starts going against you, or we have these consolidation patterns, or whatever, you're letting your emotions get the best of you. And that's causing your account to be negative at the end of the month. When really, if you had just been able to have better risk management on those 2 or 3 or 4 days, you would be consistently profitable. This is why you need a trading group, because we go over all of these things. We help each other see these patterns. We help each other not lose our crap when stuff like this starts shaping up. And our live trading room is a part of our October cohort, which the discount ends tonight at midnight. So you need to get in and make your decision to be part of it now. It is time, because we start live tomorrow at 9:30, and you can have a trading group that helps you be consistently profitable as well. If you come and be a part of it, and if you are able to be able to keep your head on straight when days like this happen. Now, the other thing that happens on these days is I remind everyone in the live room that when this is what the morning shapes up to be like, we usually have a monster move in the afternoon. And I describe it for them, what it's going to look like. You're going to be able to see it from across the room. And maybe you're going to be able to find that trade then. Now, this is called the morning method. So we're not going to take that trade in our live account, but these are the things that we've learned over doing this for many, many years. And these are the kind of nuggets that you're going to get if you come and hang out with us in our live trading room. So again, midnight tonight, the doors close. You get a 50% discount on the course. You get the live trading room for free for 30 days. If you do not make back the price of the course in those 30 days, I will give you another 30 days free. That's how committed I am to your success, but that's also how much I think you can do this. We have other great bonuses. I'm going to link you to a video below to check all of those out. This is absolutely well worth your time and your resources to be a part of. If you blew up an evaluation account today, you need this. So make sure that you stay safe out there and good luck trading.